Art has always been a profound expression of the human soul. Throughout history, artists have sought to capture the essence of their innermost thoughts, emotions, and experiences through various creative mediums. Whether it is through painting, sculpture, literature, music, or dance, art has the power to touch the deepest recesses of our being, bridging the gap between the material world and the intangible realm of the soul. At its core, art is a means of communication, transcending the limitations of language and connecting directly with our inner selves. The process of creating art often involves introspection and self-reflection, allowing artists to explore their thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. In this exploration, the soul finds a voice, a way to express its deepest longings, joys, sorrows, and desires. Art has the ability to evoke strong emotions within us, stirring our souls and resonating with our innermost being. When we encounter a beautiful painting, read a moving poem, or listen to a captivating piece of music, we are transported to a place beyond the physical realm. We experience a connection that goes beyond the superficial, and our souls are awakened and nourished. Moreover, art has the power to inspire and uplift our spirits. It has the ability to awaken dormant passions, ignite creativity, and fuel our pursuit of meaning and purpose. When we engage with art, we often find ourselves questioning, reflecting, and contemplating the deeper aspects of life. Through art, we are reminded of our shared humanity, our interconnectedness, and the universal experiences that bind us together. Art is not limited to the artist alone, it is a medium through which the soul of the viewer or listener can also be stirred. Each individual brings their unique perspective and life experiences to their encounter with art, allowing for a deeply personal and subjective interpretation. Art becomes a mirror that reflects our own inner worlds, a catalyst for self-discovery and self-expression. The relationship between the soul and art is reciprocal. Just as art provides a means for the soul to express itself, the soul also inspires and influences the creation of art. Artists often draw inspiration from their own spiritual journeys, their encounters with beauty, suffering, and the mysteries of existence. The soul acts as a wellspring of creativity, guiding the artist's hand and infusing their work with depth and authenticity. In a world that often prioritizes the material and the tangible, art serves as a reminder of the intangible aspects of life, the realms of emotion, spirituality, and the soul. It challenges us to look beyond the surface and delve into the depths of our being. Through art, we find solace, healing, and a sense of connection with something greater than ourselves. In conclusion, the relationship between the soul and art is a profound and intricate one. Art acts as a conduit for the soul's expression and exploration, allowing us to connect with our inner selves and the universal human experience. It has the power to evoke emotions, inspire, and awaken our spirits. Art speaks to the depths of our being, reminding us of our shared humanity and our innate capacity for creativity and self-expression. It is through art that the soul finds a voice, and through the soul that art finds its true meaning.